Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the Black Decker TO1755SB 4-slice toaster oven user manual. In the box: toaster oven, baking pan, broil rack, instruction manual. Features: easy view glass door, temperature selector knob, cooking function selector knobs, toast timer selector knob, power indicator light, crumb tray, bake pan drip tray, slide rack broil rack, extra deep curved interior. How to use: put your food in bread, pizza, etc. Turn the knob to what you want: toast, bake, broil, keep warm. Set the timer for toasting or baking. Grab oven mitts and take your food out when done. Getting started: remove all packing material, stickers, and plastic bands around the power plug. Please go to www.prodprotect.com/applica to register your warranty. Wash all removable parts as instructed in Care and Cleaning. Select a location where this unit will be used, allowing enough space from the back of the unit and the wall to allow heat to flow without damaging cabinets and walls. Plug the unit into the electrical outlet. Toasting. Toast selection: rotate the temperature and function knobs to the designated toast settings. Bread placement: open the oven door and carefully insert the slide rack. Place your bread items directly on the rack and close the door. Toast shade adjustment: turn the toast shade selector knob to the desired level of browning. Briefly turn it to the highest setting and then back to your preferred shade. Toasting cycle: the indicator light will illuminate, signifying the start of the toasting cycle. Toast completion: once complete, an audible signal will sound, and the oven will automatically shut off with the indicator light extinguishing. Toast retrieval: using oven mitts, carefully open the door and slide the rack out to remove your perfectly toasted bread. Power conservation: when finished, unplug the appliance for safety and energy efficiency. Natural convection baking: set the stage, temperature and bake function selection. Time it right, timer setting with preheat consideration. Baking in progress, indicator light and heating element cycles. Food time: placing food in the oven. Time's up, timer or manual shut off. Retrieval: safe removal of cooked food. Power down: unplugging for safety and efficiency. Broiling. Broil power: set both knobs to broil. Drip tray: place baking pan on the bottom rack to catch drippings. Food on top: choose rack or pan placement for desired heat. Time to broil: set the timer or use stay on. Ding, all done. Grab mitts and remove food with rack pan. Power down: unplug when finished. Keep warm. Warm it up: set both knobs to keep warm. Time for warmth: turn the timer past 10 and adjust it to the desired time for manual control. Beep beep: when done, the oven and light will turn off with an alert. Manual off: if not using the timer, turn the knob to off after warming. Power down: unplug the appliance when finished. Care and Cleaning. Cleaning. Glass door TLC: use a sponge, soft cloth, or nylon pad with soapy water. Avoid harsh spray glass cleaners. Rack relief: open the door, pull out the slide rack, and wash it with soapy water or in the dishwasher for tough spots. A polyester or nylon pad is safe. Bake pan bath: wash the baking pan in sudsy water, using a polyester or nylon pad to minimize scratches. Troubleshooting. Warnings. For more updates, subscribe to our channel.